Hello everyone, this is Joseph Zabrowski. I told you that I was going to come out with my next passive income portfolio engine, which I'm calling engine number 2. Previous video I shared with you engine number 1, which was the foundational engine that anyone who's serious about acquiring a strong income online be involved with, and that is actually doing your own very own investing and trading in the cryptocurrency markets. That is foundational. In review, it's foundational because it's up to you. You don't need another company to send your Bitcoin to in order to make money. You can go directly into the markets and trade the cryptocurrencies and make money that way. And I told you we have an ideal setup because when you join my team in this passive income portfolio, we have webinars on Sunday and Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern. We have a million dollar earner in the cryptocurrency markets who teaches you how to trade. He shows you his exact trades. Talk about easy. All you got to do is copy what he's doing, okay? And he shows you on top of it why he chooses the trades that he chooses. In other words, he shows you his method of choosing trades and analyzing the markets. So that is your foundational engine number 1 for your passive income portfolio. I also shared with you that we have a strategy that had proven last year to bring in over $600,000 for people who invested $10,000 in the top 10 cryptocurrencies last year. I'm not saying that that's going to happen this year, but hey, it happened last year. There might be a good chance that it could happen this year as well, if not better. You never know. So the first engine is based on that passive sitting on investing of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. And the second part of the foundational engine, number 1, is actually learning how to trade in the markets so that you can fend for yourself. Okay, so that being the foundation, we're now going to move into engine number 2. And the whole idea here, big picture, is to have a passive income portfolio where instead of just having one company like USI that let's say USI goes down, you'll have 2 or 3 different I should say, we're thinking more along the terms of, 3 different companies that are 3 different engines that will continue to bring in money if one of them should fall. Okay, so that's kind of the vision that we're going for here. I'm not going to get like the whole slew of passive income engines because then you start spreading whatever money you have maybe a little too thin. But I think it is good to have about 3 or 4 engines, and in our case, I think USI will be one of them. So this is to provide diversification and stability for you financially. So engine number 2, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to share with you the highlights of this second engine, which I am personally using, and I am earning money. I've been earning money for about 10 days in it, and it's very, very good. I found this engine from my inner circle, and I researched it at length. I've asked all the questions for you on your behalf, and so I'm going to share with you the highlights right now. I'll say up front that to get started with this engine, there's a link below this video called SeriousLivingOnline.com, and that will take you to the referral page where you can actually register for this particular engine. Also below this video, it's very important that you click on passiveincomeportfolio.net. That's .net, not .com. And the reason that's important is because when you click on that, it's going to take you to a little funnel where at the end it's going to tell you to send me an email at my email address, and that will alert me to put your email on my passive income portfolio list so that you can get all of the notifications, all of the important media that I will send out regarding engine number 2 so that you can continue to learn about engine number 2, and so that you can get also webinar notifications. Like after I'm done doing this video, We are going to have a webinar, or I hope to maybe get a couple other people on there who are in using this particular engine, and we're just going to field questions. So after I go through this and I share all the information about this engine and say you get registered, if you have questions, I know you're going to have questions. Most people have questions, so we'll have a webinar, and I'll send a video out on the webinar where you can go to that webinar and ask all your questions. So that is it, and I'm going to get into this right now. Engine number 2. All right. So first off, the owners of this engine, or this business I should say, symbolically I'm calling it an engine, like the engine of a boat. That's how we started on the Titanic, if you remember. So the owners of this business are 80% family. They are the Logans. Felix Logan is 60% owner of this particular business. His father and brother own 20% of it, and the other 20% are Chinese owners. They are a very wealthy family. They've made their money in real estate and in cryptos. Their involvement in cryptocurrencies are simply from their affection for cryptocurrencies. They really like cryptocurrencies, and that's what got them into mining cryptocurrency. So this is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency mining and trading firm. Okay, they specialize in buying and selling cryptocurrencies as well as trading them against all the major currencies or other coins. You can customize your portfolio into a part mining, part trading. Thus, you can have a combination of both. So in 2010, this company was established as a Forex trading company. I know that sounds kind of similar to USI, but that is the truth. In 2011, it was one of the pioneers in Bitcoin mining. The company invested heavily in mining rigs, as well as acquiring Bitcoins at a low price for the purpose of stashing them to cold storages and later selling at the exchanges. In 2012 to 2013, they developed a significant mining structure with more than 10,000 mining units in China and Japan. In 2016, they purchased 10,000 rigs for mining Ethereum, which is currently the second strongest cryptocurrency on the market, as I'm sure most of you know. Okay, now they are a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency mining and trading firm that specializes in buying and selling cryptocurrencies as well as trading them against all the major currencies or other coins. Now, they're one of the world's fastest growing Bitcoin mining and cryptocurrency trading firms, offering powerful yet user-friendly in-house trading platforms for web and mobile applications. It allows for trading of multiple assets such as cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. They currently have 10,000 units, each with 24 purpose-based video cards, which equates to 240,000 power-packed machines mining 24 hours a day. I repeat, that's 24 hours a day. Now, their total investment is approximately $720 million. It's $72,000 per rig, and they have about 10,000 of those rigs presently. The customers benefit from unmatched training, service, and customer support. They are a worldwide business that offers services in multiple languages. Now, in terms of cryptocurrency mining, you can earn through choosing a cryptocurrency that you would like to invest in and holding it for a period of 90 days to maximize your highest earning potential. Your funds will be pooled and you will receive a percentage based on your investment amount. You can ask for a combination of cryptocurrency mining. You can combine trading, cryptocurrencies, and mining and earn on both mining and trading. An example would be 70% mining and 30% trading. I will tell you that we highly recommend that you, especially when you're first getting started, that you just do 100% mining because it's very consistent. And when you do the trading, you open yourself up to, on certain days, not getting paid if they don't make money. Now, I've heard both ends of the story. On some days they make a lot more than the normal amount, but on other days I've heard from people on my team that they didn't get paid at all. So we are recommending that you go completely mining 100%. That's what I'm doing, and I earn every day. Okay, now you purchase it. You can literally purchase a Bitcoin at half the market price. And as we mine and trade cryptocurrencies, we offer clients the benefit of purchasing Bitcoin at half its current market price, and then after a period of 60 days, you are able to receive the Bitcoins at market price. We are able to achieve this because once you purchase the Bitcoin, we place your funds in a mining pool. I repeat, a mining pool with a short-term 60-day trading period where we earn from your pooled funds. Okay, so this 60-day period is ample time for for us to realize mining and trading profits, thus offering Bitcoin at market price. Benefits of this package are that it is low risk because major profits are coming in from mining of cryptocurrencies. And then let's go to the next slide. Earnings comparisons. If you were to deposit $5,000 in your bank savings account, earning you approximately 1% a year, your balance would be obviously $5,050 at the end of the year, with only a $50 profit. Now, if you deposit $5,000 in our engine for 1 month, assuming a conservative 30% average return, you would earn $7,815.40. So in just 30 days, that's $2,815 potential profit for you and your family. Now, cryptocurrency mining. With relation to mining, the returns are based on mining hash rates, which is the speed of completing a computing code. The faster we mine and the more funds that are pooled, the greater the potential profit range. It's 30 to 60% per month. With the mining, I have found that I am earning about 1.4% per day, my friends, 7 days a week. I repeat, that 7 days a week as opposed to 5 days a week. So it's a nice little change. USI obviously has many advantages working for them, but this company also has many advantages, and the simplicity of this company is quite good. So as I said, I've personally been earning 1.4% per day, 7 days a week. Now, a winning percentage trading, it allows you to benefit from tight spreads, zero commission, and leverage of up to 1/300. I'm not sure what that represents. We offer a slew of tools for traders to take advantage of, including stop, loss, take profit, entry limit, and entry stop orders, and to design their own unique trading strategy. Traders can benefit from customizable charts, studies, in-depth analysis, the economic calendar, and accurate trading signals. So what if I refer a client to the program? Okay, so this is, you guys, this is the best I've seen. Actually, I'm going to have another engine that maybe is even a little better than this, but this is really good, and you're going to see it right now. This is actually better than USI. The client will receive 4 levels of commissions with commission structure as follows. Okay, so if you bring in somebody to this particular business, not only will you earn the percentages that I just shared with you, but if you bring anybody in, these are the commissions that you're going to get. On the first level, you're going to get 30%, I repeat, 30% from each client's deposit you bring in directly to the program. In other words, it's a direct commission, 30%. On the second level, you're going to earn 20% from each client's deposit. Your client first in line bring in the program. So in other words, your client underneath you brings in a client, and you're going to get 20% of what that client brings in, whatever he purchases. On the third level, you're going to get 10% from each client's deposit. Your client's second in line bring in to the program. On the fourth level, you're going to get 5% from each client's deposit. Your client third in line bring in to the program. So all told, that is like 65%. Okay, that is phenomenal. So the top 10 reasons to utilize engine number 2 is number 1, it's very transparent owners that you can speak with directly. I've actually spoken with the account executive. One of the beautiful things about this simple business is that you get a support representative as soon as you join. You can talk directly to them. They're very, very responsive. I literally sent my support representative about 22 questions, and he answered every one of them. Okay, And I just spoke on the phone to the account executive of this business just today, actually, because we were talking online and we finally just talked to each other over the phone. Number two, they have physical offices in Hong Kong, Dubai, New Zealand, and the Philippines. Number three, they're a private placement platform that has been paying since its establishment in 2010. Now think about that. 2010, you know, in this space, in terms of Bitcoin, there are no companies that have been around since 2010. This is one of the major selling points of this business, the fact that it's been around for 7 years. Okay, profits in mining up to 120% within 90 days. Profits in auto trades ranging from 30 to 60% monthly. Remember, that's trading. I'm not recommending that up front. As you get more developed in this, look into that, but I recommend mining completely, 100%. Number 6, personal account manager is assigned to you. Number 7, refer clients and we'll do all the work for you and you get paid. Okay, customer service via live chat, live calls 24/7, email and text, all unheard of. Affiliate commissions, if you refer clients, level 1, 30%, level 2, 20%, level 3, 10%, level 4, 5%. Excellent payouts. Withdraw instantly at any time. Now, I shouldn't say keep in mind, another great selling point here that I did not mention in this is that when you deposit your money into this business, you are not charged any fees for depositing or for withdrawing. Okay? Like, for example, when you deposited money into USI, I love USI, or when you bought packs in USI, it was a 3% mining fee. And when you withdrew money in USI, it was a 2% mining fee as well. Okay, here there are no fees. Furthermore, if I didn't say it, your money when you deposit your money, your Bitcoin into this business, it is insured. I repeat, it is insured. Okay, and you can talk to your representative about that. Literally insured. They have an insurance policy on every deposit in this business. Okay, additional details. As I just said, your investment is insured. Number 2, your principal must stay in your investment for 3 months. Okay, you can withdraw. That's your principal. Okay, you can withdraw your mining earnings and commissions when you want, although the company prefers that you don't withdraw your earnings for the 3-month contract. But you can, but they would prefer that you don't because they're in business. And what I have found with this company is they're very honest and straightforward. Instead of giving you allowing you to look through rose-colored lenses, they tell you the truth. They want to be straightforward. That's what I've noticed with them. So you can withdraw your earnings whenever you want, but they prefer that you keep it in there for the sake of the company for the entire 3-month contract. Now, any commissions that you earn, you can withdraw them. A commission from somebody coming in underneath you, you can withdraw that immediately. So you can withdraw any commissions immediately. You also can withdraw your interest that you're earning on your mining. You can withdraw it immediately as well, but they prefer that your commission or your earnings from mining, that you keep it in the contract for 3 months. At the end of the 3 months, you can start a new contract, or you can take your money and run, whatever you want to do. Okay, they're considering to have VPN access. It's virtual private network access, and that is a very good thing. They haven't given us the final word on that. That's good because when you have VPN access, it means that it looks like people are coming in, instead of coming in from America, you're coming in from Germany or from some other country. And this is just a good thing for this particular company in this space. As I said, they're pioneers. This company is pioneers in the cryptocurrency and started mining in 2011. They're a worldwide company, offers services in various languages: Philippines, Hong Kong, Dubai, and New Zealand. In order to market here, you have to get confirmation of all marketing. So if you're going to put out videos, you need to get confirmation from the company. I personally, it's one of the reasons I'm not, sharing the company's name here. I'm going to share it in my own private webinar, but I just don't feel like even messing with that. So I'm just giving you the highlights of this particular engine, and then once we're in a private meeting, I'll share everything with you in terms of the name of the business and so forth. Now, this particular company does progressive mining. not echo mining, which allows them to pay $10,000 a mining rig instead of $100,000 a mining rig. Yet, even though they pay 10 times less than the $100,000 mining rig, their progressive mining is able to produce the same output as the $100,000 machine. Their investors are pooled into an ant pool. So in other words, in this ant pool are numerous investors, so they're all together in a pool, and that's how they can make such good money. Now, they've already been mining other cryptos such as Ether and EOS coins. Thus, they are prepared if BTC should lose any significance. So in other words, if Bitcoin loses significance and it becomes harder to mine, they're already mining other cryptocurrencies. So this is a statement toward their longevity. So in other words, they could offer programs where you're earning interest on other cryptocurrencies that have not lost significance in the cryptocurrency markets. Now, their mining facilities, as I said, is in Philippines, Hong Kong, and Iceland. The way they can pay such great commissions, this is really important, is because they're earning 43% on their mining, and they get fees when the Bitcoin is sent in the blockchain. So once again, they're earning 40% on their mining, and that's why they can have such a great commission structure, as I shared with you. And it's another reason why they don't have to charge you fees for depositing and withdrawing. They have their own ICO coming out, just like USI. That means they're going to have their own coin coming out. I don't have any details on that, but it is the word on the street. And as I told you before, 0% fees on deposits and withdrawals. So, how to get started, as I said up front, there will be a link below this video, which is seriousliving.online.com. And that link will allow you to actually go right to their registration page and register. As I said, your account manager will contact you to help you set up your account if you need it. Choose your investment amount and fund your account via Bitcoin or bank wire. The account managers will work closely with all serious-minded individuals to successfully get their mining and trading venture started. So click the link below the video. Also, this is the second link, which is important for you to click on. It's passiveincomeportfolio.net. I repeat, .net. To get more information about engine number 2 over the days and weeks ahead, and to get notifications of webinars. And one of those webinars is going to be important because we're going to have a webinar after I do this video so that you can come to it and ask any questions that you may have, so you can get answers to your questions at that webinar. So in order for me to be able to send you a notification, you're going to need to sign up here at passiveincomeportfolio.net. Okay, so and then follow the prompts once you're there. So that is it, my friends. I've been meaning to get this out to you for quite some time, and as stated, we want to learn from our mistakes. I consider what happened to USI a blessing in disguise, because now we're preparing to have a more serious and a stronger foundation for our financial earnings here in the short term and in the long term. We are doing this by having a passive income portfolio of solid engines. This is one of the engines here, engine number 2. The previous engine I told you about is the foundational engine, engine number 1. And then when we're done with engine number 2, we will move into engine number 3. We're going to take our time with this. Right now we have the foundational engine of the cryptocurrency trading and investing. We have this engine, which is engine number 2. And of course we have USI, which really, I guess, you know, that's going to be either engine, that's our first engine, that's our introductory engine, then we have our foundational engine, and then here engine number 2, and we'll have engine number 3 as well. So that is it, my friends. If you have any questions, just let me know, and talk to you soon. Take care and God bless.